Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a restock, and this is going to be based on a couple of my favorite movies, Mean Girls and Easy A. So not all of the slimes relate to that, but I do have a few that do, so I hope you enjoy. Here are some of my Notification Squad shout outs. To become a member of the Notification Squad, just hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications, and comment down below hashtag Notification Squad for a chance to be shouted out in one of my videos. The restock will go live on my Etsy shop on Saturday, February 24th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I wanted to mention a couple of weekly specials. You'll get 10% off if you buy 2 or more slimes this week. And you'll also get a free 2-ounce slime when you buy 3 or more slimes. And all slimes this week will come with a charm. If one was not shown in the video, then it'll be a random charm. Starting us off, we've got some of my best sellers, but I don't want to bore you, so I'm just going to mention them quickly. First up, we've got Unicorn Tears. Then we've got Unicorn Tears Pink Edition. Magic Pixie. Fairy Farts. HEARTTHROB, available scented or unscented. Crazy Beautiful. And White Breakfast Liquid. This week's scent is Fruit Loops. And Baby Slush, available in pink or blue. This week I will be selling my Clear Slime Smoothie, an 8-ounce for $4. It's kind of a purplish color, and it's got different kinds of beads in it and glitter, all sorts of different stuff. It kind of smells like sweet, fruity soap, if that makes any sense. Next up, we have Ultraviolet, and it is based on the Pantone Color of the Year for 2018. It's a glossy purple slime, and it is scented like lavender vanilla. So I'm starting something new this week, and it's called the Weird Slime of the Week. This one, the first one, is called KETCHUP, and it is a red, glossy slime, and it's scented like French fries. Yes, you heard me right, French fries. And it comes with a cute little French fry charm. Next up, we have the Mean Girls collection. It includes 5 slimes, and the first one is called Plastic. It is a purple, thick slime, scented like grape Laffy Taffy, and it comes with a Laffy Taffy candy. Next up, we have Burn Book. It is a super glossy hot pink slime, and it is unscented. Next up, we have Fetch. It is a rose gold fishbowl with iridescent star glitter and holographic glitter, and it is scented like Bombshell by Victoria's Secret. Next up, we have Really Pretty. It is a bright purple fish bowl with iridescent glitter, and it is unscented. Next up we have Is Butter a Carb? It is a yellow butter slime scented like hot buttered popcorn, and it comes with this cute little popcorn charm. Next up, we have the Easy A collection. It includes 4 slimes, and the first one is called Olive Penderghast. It is a teal jelly slime with iridescent holographic glitters, scented like Snow Fairy by Lush. Next up, we have Lobster TODD. It is blue fishbowl beads with blue iridescent glitters and blue holographic glitter, and it is unscented. Next up, we have Pocket Full of Sunshine. It is a teal, blue, and yellow swirled cloud cream. The teal side is scented like blue raspberry, and the yellow side is scented like lemon cake. And when you mix them together, it becomes this beautiful pastel mint green color. Next up, we have A is for Awesome. It is a bubblegum pink metallic with blue shift, And it's a jelly slime with iridescent glitter, and it has black jojoba beads for visual interest, and it is scented like Hawaiian pink hibiscus. Well, that's it for this video. My Etsy shop is linked down below, and my Instagram is linked down below. There is currently a giveaway going on my Instagram, so go check it out, and I'll see you next time. Bye.